Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your BMW iX key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in for precision. This quick and easy method will have your key fob working perfectly again in just a few moments, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button located on the side of your key. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully remove it from its slot. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to reinsert the emergency key blade until you hear a click. Once everything is back together, test your key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, work correctly. For more great tips and deals, including a link for the Oala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.